Good morning. Now we continue the 14th video. So in last video we completed how to find inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So today we start how to find inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. So it's very important question, okay, and it's long question, 6 marks. Find inverse. So I am doing the textbook example. Find inverse of this using elementary operations. Yes, this is the question. Or it can be said transformations. Find inverse of 3 by 3 matrix using elementary operations. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. This is a textbook question, textbook example. So please see the method how to find inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. So is same as 2 by 2 what we have done in last video. Method is same. Only the thing what it's long answer type because elements are more. 3 by 3, 9 elements are there. So first we suppose by A 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. We suppose it by A. Then you know that we can write A is equal to IA. What is A? This 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. I is what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Yes. So what we have done in 3 by 3, 2 by 2 matrix case, you know, here we have to make what's a identity matrix. After writing this matrix equation, this we should make what? You know, identity matrix. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So we make this identity. If we make this identity, then by definition what happens? We know that if A into A inverse is I, see, A into A inverse is I. If you make it I, then this is called what? Inverse of A. Okay. So it's same method which we have done in last video. Yeah. Now I have to make this 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. How to make it? Please see. First step, you should get 1 here. This is second step. This is third step. Fourth step. This is fifth step. This is sixth step. This is seventh step. This is eighth. This is ninth. You follow like this. First you make 1, then you make 0, then 0, then you make 1. See, always you have to make 1 first, then 0, then 0. Again we make 1, 0, then 0. Last step is 9th step is that. So you follow this method, making identity this way but. So we start. So I should get here 1. So we should think that how can I get 1 here? We interchange these two. See, one easy application. What? R1 and R2 are interchanged. Both are in. So I will get 1 here. That's why. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. When you change left side, right side also we have to change. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Yes. After that, see, I got 1. Then I got 0, already 0 is there. Then now you should get 0 here, third step. So how you get 0 here? You have to change R3. This is called row 3, R3. So, row 3 minus, what application we take, you know? Row 3 gives row 3 minus 3 times R1. Because 3 minus 3 ones are 3, it becomes 0. So, row 3 will change now. 1, 2, 3, first row same, 0, 1, 2. Row 3 minus Row 3 minus 3 times row 1. See, row 3 minus 3 times row 1. 3 minus 3 ones are 3. 1 minus 3 twos are 6. 1 minus 3 threes are 9. Like this. Is equal to. So row 3 will change. 1 0 0. 0 minus 3 times 0. 0 minus 3 times 1. 1 minus 3 times 0. This way. So what I am getting? 1 2 3. 0 1 2. 0 5 8. Okay, is equal to 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 minus 3 1 a. Yes, please see, you follow this. 1 0 0 we got. Fourth step we should get 1 here. See, already 1 is there. Already 1 is there. So you make this 0 now. So R1 gives R1 minus 2 R2. Because 2 minus 2 ones are 2, I get 0. 1 minus 2 into 0. 2 minus 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 twos are 4. R1 minus 2 R2. 0 1 2 0 5 8 is equal to 0. Yeah, R1 minus 2 R2 means R1 will change both the sides. So 0 minus 2 ones are 2. 1 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 0 0 0 3 1 8. So what we are getting here? 1 0 minus 1 0 1 2 0 minus 5 minus 8 is equal to what? Minus 2 1 0 1 0 0 0 minus 3 1 a. Yes, this we got. The next step, you got 1 0 0 0 1 you got. Now you should get 0 here. Sixth step. So you should think, how can I get 0 here? R3. R3 you have to change. So R3 gives R3 plus minus 5 plus 5 ones are 5. 5 R2 we get. So now R3 will change. 0 1 2 0 plus 5 times 0. Minus 5 plus 5 ones are 5. Minus 8 plus 5 twos are 10. Clear? R3 plus 5 R2. Minus 2 1 0 1 0 0 0 plus 5 ones are 5. Minus 3 plus 5 into 0. R3 plus 5 R2. 1 plus 5 into 0. Yes. So what we are getting? 1 0 0 0 1 0 minus 1 2 2 is equal to minus 2 1 0 1 0 0 5 3 1 8. So you can understand, right? So see, you got this part 1 0 0 0 1 0. Now you should get 1. Seventh step. Then eighth step. This is a ninth step. So how can I get 1 here now? We should think that how can I get 1 here? You know, it's easy. R3 gives R3 divided by 2. If here 7 is there, suppose. So R3 divided by 7. Because I have to get 1. So first you should get 1. So here 2 is there. So R3 divided by 2. What we get if R3 divided by 2? Yes. First same 1 0 minus 1. 1 0 minus 1. 0 1 2. 1 0 minus 1 0 1 2 0 by 2 0 by 2 2 by 2. See, 0 by 2 0 by 2 2 by 2 is equal to what? Minus 2 1 0 1 0 0 Yeah, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Yes. Because R3 divided by 2. Both the sides. You have to take both the sides. What I am getting? 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. 0 by anything 0. Yes. 0 by 2 is 0. Minus 2, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. 5 by 2. Minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2, A. Clear? Now see, you got 1 here. Now finally I have to get 0 and here 0. So you should think, how can you get 0 here? R1, see we just made here 1, right? Now we should take the help of that one. So R1 plus R3. What I get? R1 plus R3 minus 1 plus 1 I get 0. So R1 plus R3, yes, 0 plus 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1 is equal to what application we are taking? R1 plus R3 implies, every step you can write, put here implies sign, okay, every step you can put implies sign. So R1 plus R3 what? Minus 2 plus 5 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2, 0 plus 1 by 2, remaining same, 1, 0, 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 8. So what we are getting then? So if it is given, no, so it will be given for 6 marks. 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1 is equal to what we are getting? 2 to the 4, minus 4 plus 5, 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 3, minus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. 1, 0, 0. 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. Now see, last step. Last step I should get here 0, because see, this I have to get 0 finally. So how can I get 0 here? I have to change R2. R2 gives R2 minus 2 R3. 2 minus 2 1s are 2, I get 0 here. Okay. So now R2 will change. 0 minus 2 into 0, 0. 1 minus 2 into 0, 0. 2 minus 2 1s are 2. 0, 0, 1. Yes, half, 1 by 2. R2 minus 2 R3, 1 minus 2 5s are 10 by 2. 0 minus minus plus 2 3s are 6 by 2. 0 minus 2 1s are 2 by 2. Everything same, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, finally 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1 is equal to what? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This cut, 2 5s are. So 1 minus 5, minus 4, 2 3s are. So 3, 2 1s are. So 1, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 8. Okay. So this becomes what? I. See 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is I. So finally what we get? I is equal to this we are getting half 1 by 2, half, minus 4, 3, minus 1, 5 by 2. Yes. Then we know that by definition, when left side we get I, hence A inverse is, what is inverse of A? Because we know that A into A inverse is I. See, A into A inverse is I. So this is called inverse of A. Final answer. Hence A inverse is what? Half minus half, half, minus 4, 3, minus 1, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Finished. You got the answer. See, this is a method how to find inverse. So I will give one practice question. Yes, this you can try. This is one practice question. Yes, of this video. Find inverse, A inverse using elementary operations. Okay, so I am giving the same type, almost 0, 3, 2, minus 1, 4, 5, 1, 2, minus 3. Yes, here you take 2. So you can try this question. Next video you can check the answer. So because it's long answer type, so that's why it takes time also in exam. So you should do carefully and you follow these steps. Okay. So by this question we stop today. Thank you.